nature hunter. We're just right outside of my home here in Gastonia, and tonight we want to talk about a little bit about snails and this species here. They normally be coming out around at nighttime. But first of all, we want to look for these amazing species here. These very small creatures that comes out here at night. Sometimes you can see them hanging out on the porch, a very damp, moist area. And I want to show you a couple of places that you can find some snails here, right here in your hometown. We'll be right back. Matter of fact, here's one right now. As you can see, we get very lowly down to the ground here. You can actually see the snail just inch by inch making his way to my hand here. Very slimy and very slow moving snail, this slug here.
Aren't furry or cute, and we can't pet or cuddle slugs, so people tend to dislike them. Slugs are very different from people or mammals. They have no legs and are covered in slime. They seem alien and out of place on dry land. And there's a reason for that. Slugs evolved in the ocean. They are water creatures that have made their way onto land.
But they're a very interesting species here that is moving very slowly here, and that's one that we spotted here just crawling around, wondering what I'm up to here. As you can see, they're a very slimy looking creature here, and as you can see, you got these most likely these antenna looking eyes here, and it's very moving very slowly. Looks like this is actually might be a female. It's very moving very slowly as he progresses to look for some maybe going to his home right now, or her home. So this is something we will continue on studying more about these slime. Very helpful for mammals as well, I want to say, for birds, rabbits, and so on. They're also a good helpful food source.